Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in on a video using Canva, whether you're creating a presentation, a portfolio, or content for social media. Learning to zoom in on specific parts can add a professional touch. Let's get started. From your dashboard, either start a new design or open an existing one. To upload a video, click on Uploads in the left-hand panel. Drag and drop your video or click Upload to select from your computer. Once a video is on your canvas, it'll appear centered. This is where you'll apply the zoom effect. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a circular handle. This is the scale control. Click and drag it to the right to zoom in or to the left to zoom out. If you want to highlight a specific part of the video, simply drag the video around the canvas after zooming in. This lets you focus on exactly the section you want viewers to see. Always preview your video inside Canva before finalizing. This helps you make sure the zoom effect looks clean and professional. For even better results, combine zooming with Canva's other features. Try adding text overlays, animations, or filters to enhance the visual style. Once you're satisfied, click the download button at the top right, select MP4 as the file type, then hit download. Canva will process the file and give you a video you can share anywhere. And that's it. You've learned how to zoom in on a video in Canva. A simple feature, but one that makes your projects look polished and professional. Thanks for watching and happy designing.